Hello guys, this is our base. Wait, I'm hungry.
Nag-video di ka, guys?
Yeah.
Aman ba?
Buta!
Oh.
Butang natin ang buta. Pinag-on ba ni ang kuan boy? Ang yung voice. Ikaw, hindi ka mamukan.
Hello guys! So we are
This
playing
is our
Minecraft.
video.
So this is my friend.
This is my friend. She has a beach.
I have a pako na sky blue, guys.
Naman sagot ako.
Purple yarn.
Hala, narabay mang atak. Bala na kayo, masud na core. Guys, magbisaya kami kasi... Ay, hala, kinsa nakidlatan.
Wala.
Yeah.
Revolver rin lang na lang. May ganit.
Day! Hala, guys, we are so scared. Hey!
How to get
Day,
inside?
come back. Day!
Asa mga day?
Ali, diri.
Hello friend.
Tago, uy. Ay! Hala! Yaha! Yes, kidlatan. Ay, sorry guys. Nagsalit-salit ni.
Sorry lang guys. Guys.
Dice, yun, dice.
Ay! Ala, ay, gawa sa inyo guys. Ala naman may ma. Diri guys, guys akong friend.
Yeah.
Makakita rami kaya kung Craig na sa laang.
Alam ko kasi laag. Naram ko sa usa ka AFK base. Naraman ko sa AFK base. Bayot. Ay, day.
Where are you? Asa ka day?
Tinagid diri, oh. Ka-loading. Loading kay guys. Sorry. Ay, hala, 1A. Loading.
Ay,
Di pa kakasudira, day. Kay dagahan. Ay, huot.
so di magsunod guys. Kay akong friend. Yang libog na itong kayong putot kayong hakin.
Na, nag-shortcut na lang
Ala
ko,
day,
guys.
kraken kid. Kaya na ko'y revolver. Ala. Magkuha na ta.
Oh, day, nasud ko, day. Oh, nasud na ko diri.
Matrap. Di ka dira day.
Dili, man. Asa ka, day? Let's save Kraken Kid.
Yeah.
Asa, where? Guys, let me teach you how to get,
Wait,
how to the walking glitch. First, if turn on the shift lock and sprint, like, do it like this, then sideways. There, you are so fast now.
Now, kraken kid na taday na.
Let's go. Bell, just bell.
Let's just watch kraken kid here.
I have 18 diamonds. Oh my
Ay,
god.
bahala mo dira mag-attack.